So, good evening.
Good evening too.
Yeah, so how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing great. What about you?
Yeah, I'm doing also great. So, we're meeting first time, so can I know something about you?
Okay, thank you for asking me. My name is Aminul Islam. I'm from Bangladesh, and in Bangladesh, I live in Mymensingh. Mymensingh is my home district. I'm a student. Besides my study, I'm doing a job at a school as a teacher. And if I talk about my family, there are 5 members in my family: my parents, my two elder sister, as well as me. If I talk about my hobbies, my hobby is traveling. I really like traveling. And if I talk about my leisure time, in my leisure time, I watch English movie, English conversation. My leisure time actually I spent behind my learning English. So that's all about me. What about you?
Yes. Yeah, so thank you so much for giving me such opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Suniti Kumari. I'm from Jharkhand as I'm studying class 9. I have five members in my family and three siblings, one me and two small brothers. I'm hobbies to learn English language and to learn something new. That's all about me.
Okay, thank you so much. You speak English very well.
Yeah, so I want to ask some question to you.
You can ask me.
Yeah, so just like from when did you started to speak this language? Like what's your journey about the English language and then what the problem did you face when you started to speak?
Actually, I have started my English journey before 1 month. Before 1 month, I can't speak English. After practicing 1 month, now I can speak English little bit. Now I can express my feeling. Anybody, if asks me any question, now I can reply. Yeah. When I started my journey that time,
Okay.
when I started my journey that time, actually, I didn't get any support, and that time actually I afraid, and I that time I got shy when I talking in front of people. And now in this time, my everything, my every problem has gone. Yeah. So
Okay, that's
what?
very fantastic.
So
Yeah, so like you
I
also
want
my
to know.
journey is relatable.
You tell me something about your English journey.
Okay, so talking about my English journey, like I started from when I was in class in six or seven. At the time, only started to I learned this language. Like firstly, I learned the grammar because grammar is the backbone of the English language. That's why I just learned the grammar. And after learning the grammar, like I just firstly I learned the basic grammar because whole grammar is not important to speak this language, but basic grammar is very very necessary to speak this language because if we learn the grammar, then we learn the how we can use the appropriate verb, how where we have to use good sentences like this we can form. So that's why grammar is very, very necessary for speaking English language. After learning the grammar, I just do the activity at my home, like how can give my introduction, how can give my daily routine at my homes. I was doing the practice at my home, like this type of things I was doing at home. And I was even though I was also speaking the co-learner, but I was facing a lots of problems. I was hesitating so much. And before 8 to 9 months, I've joined to the Skype application and practicing here because English is very important for us. If we know the English language, then we're not going to face a lots of difficulties. So that's why we started to learn English language. And so like this, my journey is ended, and my I'm doing practicing here.
Oh my God, you speak English very fluently, and you're so fast. Okay, that means now you are studying class 9.
Yeah.
Uh, yeah, and you started your English journey when you was class 6. That means
Yeah, so
it has
I'm
been
yeah at the time. Yeah, I was
years.
firstly I just learned the grammar. I was not able to speak. Before 8 to 9 months, I started to speak English language, and at the time I start firstly I learned the grammar and just I have learned the only grammars or English I have learned. And before 8 to 9 months, I have started to speak English language.
Okay, okay. So if I want some suggestion from you, how do I fluent English speaker like you, and what to do for that?
Yeah, so for that, if we want to speak with the frequency in English language, then we have to focus on the two things like regularity and the practice. If we'll speak on the regular practice, then we can easily find a good result in ourselves and we can speak the confident English language with a frequency. But we should not be speak a frequency. Firstly, we have to check our accuracy because accuracy is more important than frequency. If we can speak with accuracy, then definitely frequency will come. So that's why we should speak. And the thing is that if we will do some practice at home, then we can definitely going to find some result in our so that we can speak very well English language with a confident and with a fluent English language. So for that only we have to do a regular practice and we have to follow some tips like LSRW through which we can easily speak English language. So if you'll follow like this tip, then definitely you are going to speak English language very well.
Okay, okay, understand. Thank you so much. So, as you said before, you are from Jharkhand. Is it India? It's located India.
Yeah, yeah, it is
Okay.
India.
What's your native language? Hindi or something else?
Yeah, so yeah, so my native language is Hindi.
Okay. So, how many languages do you know?
Yeah, I'm knowing two languages, English and Hindi.
Okay, I understand. So,
Yeah, so what's
now,
about you? What's
yeah,
about you?
I told you before I'm from Bangladesh and my native language is Bangla. English is my second language, and now I'm learning English. I know
Okay, so
two
what do you
languages.
think? Okay, so what do you think about the English language? That why it is important for you and for everybody to learn?
Yes, yes, obviously, English is very important for everyone. And actually, who want to get job in future, and if he know English very well, then I think he will get good job. And English will help you to get more salary. So English is very important for everyone, and English is an international language. If we want to communicate with different types of people, they are from different country. So English is very important that side. So I think English is very
Yeah,
important
yeah,
for
you are
everyone.
right. Yes, yes, you
So,
are absolutely right that English is very important for us, and everybody, if they want to connect in the English language is common for everybody, and if they want to connect with the peoples like the foreign peoples, if you go to the south places, they are speaking their native language, and we are also speaking our native language. So that's why for connecting with the peoples, also we should know the English language, and we can also consider like at the international level, if we want to give the interview or presentations, then English is very very important for us. So that's why I just think everywhere we find nowadays English language. So that's why English is a common for everybody and we should learn English language.
that's interesting. So, yes, sister, now you are studying class 9. So, what's your dream?
Yeah, pardon please.
What's your dream? What will you want to be in future?
Yeah, so I just think that I want to be like I want to do civil services in my future life.
Sorry, what services?
Civil services.
Civil services. Okay, that's really great. So, sister, have you ever been to Bangladesh?
No, no, I haven't, but I just think that I should be.
Okay, okay. So, how many countries have you visited?
Yeah, I have only visited like India here where I'm living only.
Okay, okay. And so, do you like traveling?
And what's about you? Yeah, what's about you?
Actually, I didn't go any country without my country.
Okay, so in your country where you have visited, like, do you like to traveling?
Yes, yes, I like traveling. I told you before, my hobby is traveling. I'm really interested in traveling. Actually, in future, if I have ability, if I have more money, then I want to travel India. I want to travel Kashmir. You know, Kashmir is a very beautiful place.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
so I just wanted to ask you, like, how do you practice English language?
Actually, I practice my language. I have some friends. They are also from abroad. I practice with them at night, and I also use OpenTalk. Have you heard the app OpenTalk?
Yeah, I've heard.
Yeah, I'm also practiced over there. OpenTalk is really nice app, and you know, OpenTalk is free app. There is no cost.
Yes, yes. We can also talk in there is so many applications or the platform they are available in the social media through which we can easily speak English language, like the Skype application. It is also available free and we can easily speak English language. We can easily practice English language through the social media also.
So how do you practice your English?
Okay, so talking about my practicing English language, I didn't get much time to practice, but I just used to speak, used to make the conversation videos on the Skype application. That's all.
That means you just used Skype application for your practicing purpose.
Yeah, yeah. I just get few hours, like half an hour or 1 hour. Then I just go to the Skype application and used to speak with the people and to practice.
Okay, okay, understand. So,
Yeah,
dear
so
sister,
I just think, yeah, yeah. Pardon, please.
I said you are studying class 9. So, what's your favorite subject?
Yeah, so my favorite subject is talking like English, maths, and science.
English and
Yeah, English, maths, and science.
English, math, and science. Okay, that's